how to customize home screen layout or lock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. By default, you can see the home screen setting like home screen, application, clock style. To customize or change home screen layout, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner. At the top, you can find the home screen layout. Tap on it. Two options available: home and app screen or home screen only. When you select the home screen only, tap on apply on your device. Now you can see the only home screen. You can't see app drawer on your device. So you can access application from the home screen like this only. If you want to change home and app screen, again go to settings, home screen layout, home and app screen, tap the apply button. Now you can see the app drawer like this when you use home screen. If you want to lock your home screen, so if you can't add any application or move any app or clock on the home screen, you can lock the home screen by go to settings, toggle on the lock home screen layout, so prevent the items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So now if you want to move the application, you can see home screen layout is locked, you can unlock it in setting. So you can't move any application or weather widget, any clock on your home screen. To move the position, you need to unlock it using the same setting, just toggle off lock home screen layout. So quite easy to change the home screen layout setting on a Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.